So all is quiet in the puppy pool this morning with these beautiful 3-week-old lab puppies, 7 boys, except for this little guy. Can you hear him snoring? Oh, there he goes again. That isn't the sweetest thing. I don't know what is. Now he's really going for it. Do you need some attention too, Drake? So if ever you need to go down for a nap, you can just watch this video. If you can't sleep, if you wake up in the middle of the night, because these guys are professional sleepers. Oh, I know Mama's gonna come in here and disrupt the peace. What a good girl. Checking on him just like a new mom checking on her newborn in the middle of the night. If it's not waking her up, screaming to be fed.